So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw Arpo. Arpo is a great and patient babysitter who's also a robot. All right, let's start by drawing Arpo's face. Let's start with this curved line like that, go up with another curve, and then let's draw the top of Arpo's head. Whoa! Whee! Then let's keep that curved line going. And woo! Yeah! All right, and then for his eyes, some more curved lines and a circle with a circle inside. Another circle with another circle inside. And you can't forget about his mouth. Yeah, a straight line and a silly tooth right there. Whoa! And for his shoulders, there's Arpo. Wow, I love drawing. Did you have fun today? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.